Dome9 is the public cloud security company. Dome9 delivers peace of mind to its customers as they scale in the cloud through security and compliance automation. With Dome9's agentless SaaS solutions, organizations gain full visibility and control of their public cloud security posture. This allows them to minimize the attack surface, protect against vulnerabilities, identity theft, and data loss in the cloud. We're in the era of public cloud. Organizations worldwide are embracing cloud-first or cloud-only strategies for their mission-critical applications. But security remains the top barrier for broader cloud adoption.
A recent study of 350,000 IT security professionals identified the 3 top challenges in implementing a sound security strategy in the cloud. And they are, number 1, visibility, 2, compliance, and number 3, enforcing security standards within that cloud environment. Whether you're a small, mid-sized organization or a major enterprise, these are the things that Dome9 solves for our organizations.
So within each cloud, each different provider has a different offering and a different amount of visibility that they'll provide to you. But the theme across all of these different providers is that no one really gives you that true visibility into what is going on and centralizes this information in one place. With Dome9 Clarity, what we can do is we can take that information and bring it all into one spot so that you can quickly understand what's going on in this environment without having to go to all these different places to try to find the answers for yourself.
Did you know, according to Gartner, through 2020, 95% of the security failures in the cloud are going to be the customer's fault, not that of the service providers. 95%. Every week we are hearing about another significant data breach in the cloud that is exposing private information, bank account numbers, social security numbers, passwords to the whole wide world. And this violation of trust is happening not because of some problem with the cloud, but because of totally preventable misconfigurations, user errors, and process failures. Even as the spend in the public cloud is increasing, investment in cloud security is actually lagging behind, even as the number of attacks in the cloud is on the rise. This has got to be fixed.
To get started with security in the cloud, you need to understand the shared responsibility model. Infrastructure as a service providers like AWS, Azure, and Google are responsible for the security of the cloud, while you are responsible for the security in the cloud. The leading cloud providers have built powerful security controls to assist the enterprises manage their security of their cloud environments. It is up to the customers to effectively use these controls.
So CTP is a premier software and services company that help large enterprises adopt cloud. So we at CTP are thought leaders and trusted advisors to our clients who rely on us for everything from strategy to design to architecture to implementation to managed services of their apps running on public cloud. We think all enterprises have the same fundamental needs, whether it's on-premise or public cloud when it comes to security. They want the ability to protect their assets, they want the ability to detect any breaches or threats to their IT assets, and they want the ability to respond to those threats effectively. We found that a lot of our clients were approaching public cloud adoption in a very fragmented way. They had different teams running different POCs. And in order to address this challenge, we came out with this offering, which we call Cloud Kickstart. Cloud Kickstart provides an enterprise-grade, production-ready environment that allows any large enterprise to build this environment in as little as 6 weeks. We decided to use Dome9 for the cloud infrastructure aspect of Cloud Kickstart, primarily based on the strength of their product. We thought it was meeting the needs of security and security operations teams, which wasn't available in either AWS native tools or many other third-party tools out there. The biggest use of Dome9 Arc is ongoing security operations at scale. It allows access to the right resources to the right users at the right time, which is what enterprises look for. We only work with the best-of-breed ecosystem partners, and we came across Dome9 a couple of years ago. Since then, we have worked with them and recommended their product in multiple client engagements, as well as deepened our technical expertise on their product as well.
Security in the public cloud is fundamentally different from data center security and requires a new breed of born-in-the-cloud security solutions. Agent-based overlay security products fail to protect a new breed of cloud services offered by cloud vendors like network load balancers, databases as a service, and function as a service platforms. While in the early days, security concerns did deter customers from using public cloud infrastructure solutions, we believe that today you can get better security than in your own data center when you move to the cloud. Only cloud-native solutions like Dome9 that leverage the APIs provided by the cloud vendors can secure an environment today. And we made sure we support all public cloud vendors out there. And we're the only solution securing you across AWS, Azure, and the Google Cloud Platform.
My name is Srini Kancharla. I am the Chief Information Security Officer at Cadence. Cadence Design Systems is a leading provider of EDA software tools, electronic design automation tools. My team was involved in cloud transformations since 2014. We want to give our customers the flexibility to choose the cloud of their preference. We have our cloud presence in AWS, in Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. We have a huge footprint in AWS. We have more than 50 accounts, more than 1,000 instances. We have 125 VPCs and 4,000 security rules. We chose Dome9 primarily for 3 reasons. One, from an architecture standpoint, it's absolutely necessary that it covers all our cloud solutions. 2, we want to have that network visibility. And obviously, the automation and automated enforcement of the rules is important. And finally, compliance and governance. And Dome9 provides all those solutions.
Dome9 Arc is cloud native and agentless. Dome9 does not replace or compete with AWS, Azure, or Google. It complements the native controls of the cloud by adding visualization, security management, and compliance management built on top of those controls. The Dome9 compliance engine simplifies and speeds up the compliance management for well-established standards like PCI, DSS, and HIPAA. It also assists with industry best practices like the CIS Foundation benchmark for AWS. Many organizations have specific unique IT policies that they wish to transfer to the cloud. With the Dome9 compliance engine and the GSL language, governance specification language, we allow our customers to create custom IT policies purpose-built for their own requirements. Now, with the hosted services of the cloud and serverless services, IAM is used to define the service-to-service permission set. Dome9 provides privileged identity management as part of the IAM safety capability. Administrators who previously had that permission can use the Dome9 mobile app to just-in-time elevate the permission and then perform that specialized task. This ensures that even if your root or admin user credentials are compromised or hijacked, those attackers cannot cause significant harm to your infrastructure. Our customers see us as a force multiplier in managing security operations in the cloud at scale.
Dome9 delivers faster time to protection through better operational efficiency by automating many of the common security best practices and compliance tasks. Because Dome9 Arc is an agentless SaaS solution, there is no software to install and no agents to manage. You are up and running in under 5 minutes with Dome9 and securing your cloud environments across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. For organizations that have adopted DevOps practices, Dome9 provides a simple way to integrate security into every step of the software development lifecycle without slowing down the CI/CD pipeline. For companies that need to adhere to standards such as PCI DSS or HIPAA or NIST, Dome9 Arc simplifies and speeds up the process of assessing, managing, and reporting on compliance. You have a single pane of glass to manage security and compliance across your entire cloud footprint. Our customers see Dome9 as their security console for the public cloud.
So CloudFormation templates are one way to express infrastructure as code and are very popular in a continuous integration, continuous delivery scenario. So rather than pushing changes out to a live environment and then discovering deviances that really affect your overall security posture, you can feed CloudFormation templates into Dome9 early in the process. And if you're going to fail, fail fast, fix those failures, and provision them at a very, very high rate. with a confidence that they will meet your organizational security posture. Ultimately, when we follow this process, the end result is faster time to market.
Dome9 helps minimize the attack surface in your public cloud environment by providing visibility, compliance, enforcement of policies, and in-place remediation for your entire cloud environment. Unlike any other organization in the marketplace, we are constantly enhancing the features and capabilities. We have a team of people that actually go out and talk to customers, understand what their feature requirements are, and we incorporate those features very, very rapidly within our overall security development lifecycle. And I think those are the real key areas of why people invest in the Dome9 solution.
My name is Koji Kuramatsu. I'm Senior IT Architect for the Cloud Security in Information Security at Cadence. As an EDA solution provider, customer wants to have the different cloud platform. For example, one customer wants AWS, the other customer wants Azure, and even the other customer wants Google. Then we need to support all of those platforms. Make sure our software is running correctly on those platforms. Within Dome9 network security, we get active protection, which include tamper protection, region lock, dynamic accessories. So I frequently check the Dome9 compliance and best practice to make sure our security is under our control. As we grow in the cloud, Dome9 play an important role to protecting our network security, automated enforcement, and compliance best practice.
Dome9 protects your cloud journey today and in the future on AWS, Azure, and Google. It covers all your assets and services as you continue to leverage more and more cloud services.
Dome9 prides itself on being responsive to its customer needs. Whether it's a new feature request or an existing feature, the Dome9 team is ready to help customers secure their journey to the cloud.
So whether you care about PCI DSS or HIPAA compliance,
Getting started securely in the cloud,
incorporating security into your DevOps processes,
or ramping your security operations as you scale,
We got you covered.